Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and we have a very special prize for you guys to take part in. This is a 1959 BSA A7 Shooting Star. This one can be won on our website, which is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Tickets for this one are £2, and the draw will take place on the 8th of February 2026. So yeah, we've got really cool 1959 BSA A7SS, which means Shooting Star. It's a 500cc twin. It's in really nice condition, looks to be an older restoration. These are a real crowd pleaser with the people who like their British twins. It's the 500cc twin engine, like I said. It's a very smooth engine. A lot of people prefer the A7 to the A10 because they do think it's a nice free revving, smooth motor. The 650 is a bit more torquey and maybe a little bit lumpier, you would say. It's a really nice rider's bike, very iconic. The Shooting Star in this light green colour, and this is quite a rare model as well because it's got the dark green frame, which was from the factory, and not many of them left with that dark green frame. So yeah, very individual thing. Got this nacelle up here as well, which is kind of synonymous with the 50s style bikes. Yeah, so just a very nice, usable classic, I'd say. What we'll do now, we'll start her up. It is cold. The bike is cold, and me and the cameraman are cold. It is a bit chilly today, to say the least, but we'll show you how well this bike starts, or not. We've never actually started this one. So, got both our fuel taps on now. Give her a tickle. We can hear the fuel coming out. Not quite sure I sniffed that, but just like the smell of petrol. So we've got a choke up here, it's loose cable choke, so we'll leave that in that direction. There's no keys or anything, just straight off the mag. So we'll give her a kick and hopefully something happens, fire up into life. Oh, that was good. Sticky throttle. So that was easy, so it must have a good mag on it. Take a little bit of warming up before we want to rev it because it's cold, so you can have a little listen by the exhaust. See what happens when I take the choke off. Some bikes run quite well from cold almost with the choke off. Depends how the carb's been set up. Running a bit fast, so see if we can turn this down. There we are, that's better. Just turning the idle screw down because I could hear that it was running quite fast. Yeah, sounds amazing. Love the sound of these British twins. Still needs a lot of warming up, but the engine's nice and smooth as well. You can have a little listen to that. No nasty tapping or anything. So yeah, like I said, if you fancy a nice classic British twin, can't beat an A7SS, and you can win this one for just £2. It's theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, and I think it's the 8th of February 2026. There we are. Alright, we'll go get nice and warm now, but thank you for your support if you do buy a ticket, and good luck.